I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can install and then use Lucky Patcher. First off, you want to go to Google and you want to search up Lucky Patcher APK. Now, from here, you only want to download from their official website, which is www.luckypatchers.com. Do not download from anywhere else. Just tap on the official website, click on Download Lucky Patcher. Now, on Download Lucky Patcher, click on Download the LP installer. Click on Download. It's a pretty small download, so it should finish up real fast. Now, from here, just go to your APK and then click on Download. Click on Install. Now, Google might block it, but if they block it, just click on Install anyway. Now, from here, let's just wait for it to install. Click on Open. Now, this is the installer, right? So it's not Lucky Patcher yet. Click on Allow. Now, here you can see, do you really want to install Lucky Patcher? Now, from here, just click on Yes. You can also click on the other check marks if you want as well. Click on Yes. And then you can see, click on Settings. Now, on Settings, you want to allow it to install unknown apps from unknown sources. Just click on I'm aware of the possible risks. Wait for the countdown to end. This is what happens on my phone, but for your phone, it might be different. Just click on OK. Click on Install. Again, more details. Click on Install anyways. Install unsafe app. Let's click on Open. Again, let's just wait for it to a security scan. Let's just wait. It might take a little bit. Click on Open. Again, give it permission to manage all your files. Click on Provide. Click on, I'm not going to allow it for this. I'm going to allow for this. And that's it. I'm just going to uninstall the installer as well, because we don't need it. We already have the Lucky Patcher. And there you go. We have Lucky Patcher installed just like this. If you want to use it, for example, I want to hack Pilotro here, you can go to menu of patches. And you can see this is all of the patches we have. So there's change permissions, resign with test signature, all of that. So if you want multi-patch, just tap on that. You can remove ads, remove license verification, and you can click on rebuild the app to use it right away. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.